Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nindy Aisah. I'm from 12 Science 1. Thank you for giving me the chance to present my work. In this occasion, I would like to tell you about a natural phenomenon called bioluminescence. To begin with, bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by a living organism through its body. It is a type of chemiluminescence, which is a term for when light is produced after a chemical reaction happens that takes place inside a living organism. Bioluminescence is a cold light. Cold light meaning that less than 20% of the light generates thermal radiation or heat. Bioluminescence is used by living things to hunt prey, defend against predators, find a mate, and execute other vital activities. Most bioluminescent creatures live in the ocean, such as varieties of fish, jellies, and bacteria, but there are also species of bioluminescent creatures that can be found on land, such as fungi and fireflies. Bioluminescence occurs through a chemical reaction that requires two chemicals, and they are luciferin and either luciferase or photoprotein. Luciferin, in the chemical reaction, it acts as the substrate. Light is produced by this compound, and bioluminescent organisms get luciferin in their system by synthesizing. An example of bioluminescent creatures that synthesizes luciferin on their own is dinoflagellates. Dinoflagellates are a type of plankton. It bioluminescence in a bluish-green color. It can sometimes cause the surface of the ocean to glow. Some bioluminescent organisms do not synthesize luciferin. What they do is they absorb it from other organisms, either by consuming it or being in a symbiotic relationship. For example, some species of midmanship fish gets luciferin by consuming sea shrimps. Another example is that many marine animals, including squids, get luciferin in their system by housing bioluminescent bacteria in their light organs. Next, luciferase is an enzyme. An enzyme is a chemical that reacts with a substrate to affect the rate of a chemical reaction. Oxyluciferin is a chemical that can produce light. It is also a byproduct of a chemical reaction by the interaction of luciferase and oxidized luciferin. Most bioluminescent reactions involve luciferin and luciferase, but there are also some instances where instead of luciferase, they use photoprotein. Photoprotein combined with luciferin, oxygen, and an ion from the calcium element could also create light, just like how it is with the reaction between luciferase and luciferin. And that is how bioluminescence happens. And that is all from me. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.